Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's close to every breath we take: lung health. Our lungs are crucial organs, tirelessly working to keep us alive and thriving. But sometimes, things can get a little sticky, literally. Excess mucus, respiratory ailments like COPD, and the constant threat of viruses can challenge breathing. But fear not. We've got you covered with the top 15 herbs that can help clear that mucus, combat COPD, and even kick those viruses to the curb. You might be wondering why you should pay attention to these herbs. Well, let's look at some eye-opening statistics. Did you know that the World Health Organization says respiratory diseases are the third leading cause of death worldwide? Each year, approximately 4 million people lose their lives due to respiratory conditions. And it's not just the severe cases. Even minor respiratory discomfort can significantly impact our quality of life, hindering our ability to perform everyday activities and enjoy life to the fullest. But don't worry, there is hope. Nature has provided us with an abundance of plant allies that can support our lung health and improve our respiratory wellness. These herbs have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and have shown promising results in scientific studies. So, if you're ready to give your lungs some extra love and make breathing a breeze, stick around until the end. Before we delve into the world of lung-loving herbs, let's make one thing clear: we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare professional before trying any new treatments or remedies. Now that we've got that covered, let's jump into the incredible world of natural herbs that have shown promising benefits for lung health and respiratory wellness. So, grab a pen and paper or get ready to take some mental notes, because we're about to unveil the top 15 herbs that can transform your lung health game. But before we begin, make sure to hit that button below. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue bringing you valuable content. Alright, let's dive into the incredible world of lung-loving herbs that will have you breathing a sigh of relief in no time. Number 1. Mullein. Introducing Mullein, the extraordinary herb that's a game-changer for lung health. With its velvety leaves and vibrant yellow flowers, mullein has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable benefits. It's an antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal powerhouse, making it a formidable ally against respiratory infections. But what truly sets mullein apart is its exceptional ability to address mucus buildup. As an expectorant, mullein helps loosen and expel stubborn mucus from the lungs and airways. Say goodbye to chronic coughing and congestion. By clearing the air passages, mullein promotes better breathing and enhances respiratory function. Plus, its soothing properties calm inflammation in the respiratory system, bringing relief to those battling respiratory conditions. Incorporating mullein into your lung health routine can make a noticeable difference. Whether you prefer mullein tea, tincture, or oil, remember to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new herbal remedies. Trust in nature's power and give mullein a try. Your lungs will thank you. Number 2. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus, a renowned respiratory ally, offers multiple benefits for congestion relief. Its essential oil contains eucalyptol, an expectorant that loosens mucus and clears airways. This helps alleviate congestion from conditions like colds, sinusitis, and bronchitis. Eucalyptus promotes bronchodilation, relaxing respiratory muscles and improving airflow. It eases symptoms such as coughing and chest tightness, making breathing easier. Additionally, its antibacterial and antiviral properties combat respiratory infections caused by bacteria or viruses. Research shows eucalyptus effectively combats bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and viruses such as influenza. Its pleasant aroma acts as a decongestant, soothing nasal passages, and relieves sinus congestion. Remember, eucalyptus oil is potent and should be diluted before use. Number 3. Oregano. Oregano, a fragrant herb commonly used in cooking, has potential benefits for lung health. It contains antimicrobial compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which can help maintain respiratory health. Oregano's antimicrobial properties make it effective against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This may prevent respiratory infections and reduce their severity, particularly in individuals with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Moreover, oregano has anti-inflammatory effects that can alleviate symptoms like wheezing and shortness of breath. Its antioxidants also protect lung cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Number 4. Thyme. Thyme, an aromatic herb, provides respiratory benefits with its expectorant, antiseptic, and antioxidant properties. It helps loosen mucus, making it easier to clear congestion in conditions like bronchitis. Thyme's antiseptic effects fight off bacteria and fungi, supporting the immune response against respiratory infections. Its antioxidants protect lung cells from oxidative damage, promoting respiratory health. Thyme can be used in various forms, such as inhaling its essential oil or drinking thyme tea, for respiratory relief. However, moderation and following instructions are important. Number 5. Peppermint. Peppermint, a popular herb known for its refreshing aroma and cooling sensation, offers several benefits for the respiratory system. The main active compound in peppermint, menthol, provides a soothing effect on the airways and has been traditionally used to support respiratory health. One of the key benefits of peppermint for the respiratory system is its ability to act as a bronchodilator. Bronchodilation refers to the widening of the airways, allowing for improved airflow. Menthol, found in peppermint, has a relaxing effect on the smooth muscles of the respiratory tract, which can help alleviate symptoms such as wheezing and shortness of breath. This bronchodilating action makes peppermint a potential natural remedy for managing respiratory conditions, including asthma. Moreover, peppermint has been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties. Peppermint's soothing effects on the airways can also provide relief from coughing. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural cough suppressant by numbing the nerve endings in the throat, reducing the urge to cough. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing coughing fits or irritation in the respiratory tract. Number 6. Lavender. Lavender, a versatile plant known for its soothing fragrance, has been used for centuries for its medicinal and therapeutic properties. While lavender is commonly associated with relaxation and stress relief, recent studies have suggested that it may offer specific benefits for individuals with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. One of the main advantages of lavender for individuals with COPD is its bronchodilating properties. The lavender essential oil contains compounds such as linalool and linalool acetate, which have been found to exhibit bronchodilating effects. By promoting relaxation and dilation of the bronchial tubes, lavender may help alleviate respiratory symptoms and improve breathing in individuals with COPD. In addition to its bronchodilating and anti-inflammatory properties, lavender is also known for its calming and stress-relieving effects. COPD can be accompanied by anxiety and depression, as living with a chronic respiratory condition can be challenging. Lavender's soothing aroma and relaxation-inducing properties may help reduce stress levels, promote better sleep, and enhance overall well-being for individuals with COPD. Number 7. Licorice Root. Licorice root, known for its therapeutic properties, offers several benefits for lung health. It acts as an expectorant, helping to clear respiratory congestion. Licorice root also has antimicrobial and antiviral properties, potentially aiding in managing respiratory infections. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory effects may alleviate inflammation in the airways. Moreover, research has indicated that licorice root may have specific benefits against respiratory pathogens such as Streptococcus pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza, and respiratory syncytial virus, RSV. Licorice root extracts have been shown to exert inhibitory effects on these pathogens, potentially reducing their growth and spread within the respiratory system. Number 8. Elderberry. Elderberry, scientifically known as Sambucus nigra, has gained significant popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. Elderberries are known for their rich content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. One of the key reasons for its popularity is elderberry's potent antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Elderberry has been traditionally used as a natural remedy to combat various microbial infections. Its antimicrobial properties have been attributed to the presence of flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants found in deep purple-black berries. These compounds help to inhibit the growth and replication of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, making elderberry an effective natural defense against microbial pathogens. Number 9. Plantain Leaf. Plantain leaf, scientifically known as Plantago major or Plantago lanceolata, is an herbaceous plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. When it comes to lung health, plantain leaf offers several supportive properties that can help alleviate respiratory issues. One of the primary benefits of plantain leaf for lung health is its ability to soothe irritated airways. The leaves of the plantain contain compounds such as mucilage, which have demulcent properties. Demulcents form a protective and soothing layer along the respiratory tract, helping to alleviate irritation and inflammation. This soothing action can be beneficial for conditions such as bronchitis, asthma, or coughs, as it helps to calm and comfort the airways. Number 10. Lungwort. Lungwort, scientifically known as Pulmonaria officinalis, is an herb that has long been recognized for its potential respiratory benefits. Its name, lungwort, is derived from its traditional use in treating lung-related conditions, dating back centuries. Lungwort has been traditionally used in herbal medicine to address respiratory issues such as coughs, bronchitis, and congestion. Lungwort helps promote the expulsion of mucus from the respiratory tract, making it easier to clear the airways and relieve congestion. By facilitating the removal of excess mucus, lungwort can help improve breathing and reduce discomfort associated with respiratory conditions. Number 11. Astragalus. Astragalus, also known as Astragalus membranaceus, is an herb that has gained popularity in Chinese medicine for its potential health benefits. This herb has been used for centuries to support overall well-being and enhance immune function. Astragalus root contains bioactive compounds, including polysaccharides, flavonoids, and saponins, which are believed to contribute to its therapeutic properties. One of the key benefits of astragalus is its ability to boost the body's resistance to infections and enhance immune responses. Research has shown that astragalus can stimulate the production of immune cells, such as T cells and natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in the body's defense against pathogens. By enhancing the activity of immune cells, astragalus may help improve the body's ability to fight off infections and support overall immune function. Number 12. Horehound. Horehound, scientifically known as Marobium vulgare, is an herbaceous plant that belongs to the mint family. It has a long history of traditional use in herbal medicine, particularly for respiratory health. The horehound leaf is often used as a key ingredient in cough drops and cough syrups due to its natural properties as an expectorant. One of the primary benefits of a horehound for respiratory health is its expectorant action. Horehound contains compounds, such as marabine and other glycosides, that help stimulate the secretion and expulsion of mucus from the respiratory tract. By promoting the removal of excess mucus and secretions from the lungs, the horehound aids in clearing the airways and relieving congestion. This expectorant property can be particularly useful for individuals suffering from coughs, bronchitis, or other respiratory conditions characterized by excessive mucus production. Number 13. Ginseng. Ginseng, a root herb that has been used in traditional Asian medicine for centuries, offers numerous health benefits, including its potential positive impact on lung health. Ginseng is renowned for its antioxidant properties, which play a crucial role in combating inflammation throughout the body. By reducing inflammation, ginseng can help support the health of various organs and systems, including the lungs. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system to protect the body against injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can have detrimental effects on the lungs and contribute to respiratory conditions such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and lung fibrosis. The potent antioxidant compounds found in ginseng, such as ginsenosides, help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, thereby reducing inflammation. Number 14. Osha Root. Osha Root, also known as Ligusticum porteri, is a traditional medicinal herb native to the Rocky Mountains of North America. It has a long history of use by indigenous communities for respiratory health and as a general wellness tonic. Osha Root contains several components that can provide benefits to the lungs and respiratory system. One of the key benefits of Osha Root is its ability to increase blood circulation to the lungs. Improved blood flow to the lungs can enhance oxygenation throughout the body. By promoting better oxygenation, Osha Root supports the overall function of the respiratory system and may help improve respiratory efficiency. Number 15. Bergamot. Bergamot, scientifically known as Citrus bergamia, is a citrus tree primarily cultivated in the Mediterranean region. While bergamot is commonly known for its aromatic qualities and its use in perfumes and aromatherapy, it also possesses properties that can support respiratory health and make breathing easier. One of the key properties of bergamot is its ability to promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety. The scent of bergamot has been found to have a calming effect on the mind and body, which can help alleviate tension and promote a sense of well-being. Stress and anxiety can have a negative impact on respiratory health, as they can lead to shallow breathing and increased muscle tension in the chest. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, bergamot may indirectly support better breathing patterns. In conclusion, In a world where breath is life's essence, embrace the power of 15 mighty herbs, where breath and vitality intertwine. With their remarkable benefits and enigmatic secrets, a breathtaking journey awaits. We hope you found this video presentation informative and useful. If you enjoyed learning about these herbs and their benefits, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Stay tuned for future videos where we explore additional topics to help you lead a healthier and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and remember to prioritize your respiratory health for a better quality of life.